Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install software update. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, let me go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then go down. Go to system. Tap here. Go to system update. Tap here. Now it's checking for update. See, it says there is an update available. See, system update available. Here we can see what is included in this update. See, new features. Here we can see list of new features. Then go down, see camera improvements. Here we can see list of issues, camera issues fixed in this update. Go down. Then other general improvements. You can go through this list. If you are okay with all these fixes and new features and improvements, then you can tap on this restart now button. That way we can download and install this update into this mobile phone. Here you can see size of the update 3.35 GB. So this way we can download and install software update. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.